Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs. I am participating again in the Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge. I missed last month, so I apologize for that. I'm still going to try and catch that up maybe for next month's and have April and February done together. I don't know. I really wanted to do it because I have some Swarovski emerald green clover beads that I want to use them up and get them out of my stash, and they'd be perfect for earrings. So I do really want to do that one. But this month is Amethyst Purple and Yellow. It's a double color jewelry collab, so we are to use both colors. Gold or bronze. I ended up using gold. I was originally going to use bronze, but when I started digging through my stuff, the gold seemed to play into it better. Anyway, stack or multi-strand. I did, well, you'll see. I guess it's, I don't know what you'd call it. Anyway, and seed beads. And I think I did all of that. So let me show you. This is everything I used. If you guys have Dollar Tree seed beads, this project is good for those because they're very uneven. And you know, like some of them I probably even threw out. Oh no, like this. But even the edge is a little uneven, so I didn't use the ones that were that different. But I mean, they're okay. It adds a little, you know, they're okay for this purpose. I would not use these at all in bead weaving because you can see how inconsistent they are. I also use these check glass 6.0, size 6.0 seed beads in Amethyst Matte, and they vary in color as well, as you can see. And then did you know that there are size 3 seed beads and Japanese seed beads? I've had these in my stash forever because they're from Fusion Beads, which their website's been down now for a few years. But this is silver line dark lilac, and they're round. And then these are gold plated metal round Japanese seed beads, and both in size 3. And then these, which I did use also, came out of this Jesse James Beads Design Elements from 2021 Spring Summer Pantone, which I got at Softflex. I had 2 packs. One was open and in here, which the lid isn't staying on now because I put the rest in here and it's a little too full. But I had silver findings, so I did not use those, but I pulled out all the yellow and purple except for these drops because they didn't fit in with what I wanted to do. And just some gold color, they call them links, but they're actually charms, gold color charms, and 1 leaf and 1 flower is what I use. So here is what I made. I made a memory wire bracelet. And the memory wire I used was rosewood. I didn't have any gold, but this was from jewelrymaker.com over in the UK. They're still an active website and everything, and they still have live programs, but I haven't been buying from them because I have too much stuff. I got these in 2014. It has, sorry for the glare, it has rings, bracelet, and necklace, but I only did a bracelet, so I can kind of consider this a stack. On this end, and what I did is I rolled the edges. The first one, I rolled it like two times and came back on itself, so it's secure. Then I put these charms on with a jump ring each, but these I wire wrapped them right onto the loop, so they're not going anywhere. And the loop is wrapped back around to itself, so it's secure. And then it's sort of random, but not really. What I picked up in these and in this is sort of random, but especially these, because these vary in color, and I just grabbed them as I went. But here I tried to go matte, shiny matte. Then the purples, 3 of them. Then I did purple, gold, purple. Then back to 3 of these, matte, shiny matte, purple, purple, purple. But then I switched this and did gold, purple. These are a little loose because the holes are a little bigger. I actually could have put, you know, tiny, maybe 11.0 seed beads under there to help secure them, but it's fine. It'll be fine. and then I alternated that, and then after I got to the point when this was about, like the ends were about meeting, I started putting on the big beads. Um, After it came back around, I think probably maybe this one was the first one. I can't remember. Anyway, and I alternated them too. Okay, let's go in this way. So I have like the purple and the sparkle crackle beads. And then here I used the solid yellow with these, I think these are acrylic actually. I don't know what they're called, mermaid beads or something maybe, I don't know. And then back to the purple and the crackle, same there. And then again, when it was back around to where I was going to be coming to the end again, you know, I stopped and did, this was the last one because I ran out of space. I didn't quite have enough to do a last set of purple. So I had purple, yellow, and then I had to stop because I was out of room. So I decided I'd put more purple and yellow and one of the big ones on as a dangle. So you can wrap it around. You can have the charms in the front like this, or if you rather not, then you can flip it around, you know, and have it something like this. I kind of like this sparkle bead in the front. It depends on your wrist size, you know, it'll expand out, but it's basically a 3-layer stacking bracelet, except it's all one piece. So multi-layer. So let me take it off and show you again. These, they don't want to stay on like the outside or but this was kind of meant to be the inside part. I'm getting it all twisted around, aren't I? Yeah. Anyway, you get the idea. So that is my project for the Pirate Pretties double color jewelry challenge for the month of March. I wanted to get this video up, but I'm probably gonna, since I have everything out, I'm probably gonna go make another one. I really don't need to keep having this stuff in my stash. So I'm gonna go and probably make at least one more. And I could make a necklace to go with it as well, but pretty easy project. Memory wire, I don't use it that often, but it's pretty easy to do. It is a little tricky, and I know there's a designer on here who has a system with these bars and stuff, but I don't know. It's up to you if you want to get those and make sure your pattern comes exactly where you want it on the top of your wrist. I might go a little more random on the next one without, you know, just randomly pick stuff up and see how that turns out. And if maybe when I do next month's, I'll come back and show you that as well. Okay? Please go click on the hashtag down below in the title and see everyone else that participated. Be sure to check out Angela over at Pirate Pretties. I know she posted today, and I know at least 2 other people have posted today for this that I saw, but I haven't watched their videos because I wasn't done my project yet. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you come back again. Let's see, next time I'm back on this channel this week will be Saturday the 18th for my own collaboration called Jewelry Making Fun. We post at noon, and there are about 10 of us in that one, so for sure it's not an open collab, it's kind of a closed collab. So come and hop along and see what everyone makes and what our themes are. Since I started this way back in 2020, 2019, I can't remember. Been a few years. All right, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye.